Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to easily connect your Garmin Enduro second watch to Wi-Fi with the help of Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to launch this app, which looks like this. And right here go in More tab and then select Garmin devices. And now just select your device on the top of the screen. Just click it and wait a couple of seconds, and now scroll till you see this connectivity tab. Let's select it, then select Wi-Fi, and now you can see this option to add a network on the bottom of the screen, so let's click it. And now let's take a look at the watch. So now we have several options here and we need to choose which one suits us better. And then enter the passcode. Once you have successfully added the passcode, just click this Add button and then tap on the Connect button. Great, now you can tap on the name of your network and then test network connection. And on the watch you can see the confirmation that connection is successful. So let's go in the main menu, then in Wi-Fi and in My Networks. And right here you will be able to see your networks. So that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.